Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a clean recording and trimming to a 10-20 second test clip so you can iterate fast. Once done, open your chosen tool, Audacity for editing or VoiceMod for live. This matters because offline editing gives precise control while live is low latency. Make sure to normalize levels and remove hum. That prevents artifacts when you change pitch or format. Now save a backup copy. If anything goes wrong, you can revert instantly and avoid repeating setup steps. You now modify pitch and format, two separate controls that shape voice identity. Start with a small pitch shift, 1 to 3 semitones, because large jumps sound unnatural. Then tweak format to move timbre without affecting pitch, and that changes perceived age or gender. Once you have a basic sound, apply a gentle EQ to remove muddiness and a light compressor to level dynamics. These steps glue the effect together. Make incremental changes and listen between each adjustment to hear the impact. You finish by comparing the original and process takes side by side because small artifacts jump out when you /B. Make final tweaks, de-esser for sharp S sounds, subtle reverb for presence, and a final normalization to target loudness. Once satisfied, export as WAV 48K HC or high bitrate MP3 if size matters, and save the project so you can revisit settings. If you hear metallic or robotic artifacts, back off pitch/format extremes and rerun noise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.